Go sure fit. Yeah, yeah. Go girl. Show 'em, show 'em. Go sure fit Johnson. This is your world. Now pose for 'em. Show 'em behind the scenes. Show 'em your long hair. Even when it's weave. Show 'em your makeup. Show 'em your real life. Yeah, with the flaws, those DIYs and fashion hauls. I am SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts. What is up, you guys? This is SureFit Johnson, and today I'm going to put in some crochet faux locs for you guys. Obviously, I'm doing the individual ones, but there are many different ways to install crochet faux locs, and I'm actually going on vacation this weekend, so I just wanted to do something a little, you know, spicy. And honestly, this summer I really do not want to do my hair, so I plan to keep these in for a little hot minute. And if you want to know like the product details and all that and how I feel about it, yada yada etc., I already made a separate video for that because I don't want this video getting too long or drawn out. So this is exclusively for me installing the hair. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hit the bell alert so you know exactly when I'm posting a video. And let's get started. So first things first, I'm gonna work from the back to the front. I have 50 mini twists in my hair right now, and I was thinking like it looks like I don't have that many in my head and maybe I should add more, but I think 50 faux locs in my hair should be enough. If not, then next time I do my hair I'll add more and I'll do more twists. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up in a little bun at the top so I can work from the back to the front. Okay, so first things first, let's zoom in. Starting off, I decided to see what I saw on YouTube tutorials using the actual crochet needle, putting it through the middle of my 2-strand twist, adding the faux locs hair, and then bringing it through. But this was kind of difficult for me, and I felt like it took way too much time, and it would be so much simpler if only I just pulled the hair right through without using the crochet needle. So I'm going to show you guys me. So most of my hair is done, but I figured out a more simple way to actually install these crochets because boy, doing the whole latch and all that was absolutely too much for me. So let me show you guys exactly what I did. And for this, you will definitely need to have twists in your hair. I haven't tried it with braids, but I would definitely do twists if you decide to try this. That latching was too much, and this is much simpler, so look at it. 2-strand twists naturally have a gap in the middle because it separates the left side of the twist from the right side of the twist. So literally in between that space, I put the faux loc in. Like I just slid it through, and it was so simple. And then the rest, you literally just do like a regular crochet. You take your braiding hair, and then you also take your 2-strand twist and pull it through the loop like I'm doing right here. And then once it's completely through the loop, and make sure you bring them through together, you separate the two and pull it tight so the crochet loop is as close to your scalp as possible. Literally, that took me about 3 whole seconds, and then you just start raveling the faux locs hair around your actual hair. The faux locs hair goes to the right like in a clockwise motion, and so I unravel it the other way, And so as I unravel it, I wrap it around my hair. And honestly, you guys, it's pretty simple. It's so fast, and I've done regular faux locks before, and it takes hours just because you have to do the Marley hair, then you have to wrap it with Marley hair. So this is so much simpler. I definitely suggest these individual crochets, but as you can see, I'm unraveling it as I go, wrapping it, unraveling it more, and continuing the process until it gets all the way down my hair. Now this hair is 20 inches long, and my hair is close to 18-20 inches in some parts, if not in all. So it was really hard for me once I got to the end to secure my hair inside of the twist, inside of the faux locks, because my hair was literally the same length. So I had to pull at the roots and kind of stretch my hair down a little bit further and longer, and then eventually my hair was in the locks. So that black piece that you saw is my hair, and as you can tell, I'm at the very end of this faux lock. So I'm just going to go ahead from the root and just pull it down. It doesn't create friction like you might think, so no breakage or anything like that, but it covers my hair, as you can see right here. And I'm completely done. The ends look amazing. If you want your hair to be sleek, then go ahead and add edge control before you do your twist, or go ahead and do it after like I did. If you want your hair to look like perfect, then I would definitely add the edge control before rather than after, so it can be looking good on each individual part. But honestly, I didn't care if mine was messy, just because they are faux locks and I think they look cute, like kind of messy at the roots, and it makes it look more natural. I am SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts.